Authorities in Britain charged two Russian men on Wednesday with the nerve agent poisoning of ex-Russian spy and his daughter in the English city of Salisbury earlier this year, saying the pair used a fake perfume bottle involved in another poisoning that left a woman dead. The Crown Prosecution Service said the men, identified as Alexander Petrov and Ruslan Bashirov, are charged with conspiracy to murder, attempted murder and the use of the nerve agent Novichok for the March attacks. Sergei Skripal, 66, and his daughter Yulia were found unconscious on a public bench in the city of Salisbury on March 4, and they spent weeks in a critical condition. Officials suspect the father and the daughter were poisoned with Novichok, a Soviet engineered nerve agent. Metropolitan Police, prosecutor Sue Heming said the UK is not asking Moscow to extradite the men because the Russian law forbids extradition of the country's citizens. We have, however, obtained the European arrest warrant, which means that if either man travels to a country where an EO is valid, they will be arrested and face extradition on these charges for which there is no statute of limitations, Heming said in a statement. Police said the men, both about 40, flew from Moscow to London on Russian passports 2 days before the Skripals were poisoned. Assistant Police Commissioner Neil Bashu said the men were probably using aliases. Appealed the public to come forward and tell us who they are, but considered it was very unlikely police would be in a position to arrest them anytime soon. The nerve agent used to poison the Skripals was smuggled to Britain in a counterfeit Nino-Ricci perfume bottle and applied to the front door of Sergei Skripal's house, according to Metropolitan Police. More than 3 months later, the bottle was found by a local man, Charlie Rowley. He was hospitalized and his girlfriend Dawn Sturgis died after being exposed to the contents. Let me be clear, we have no doubt these incidents are connected, Bashu said during a news conference on Wednesday. Police released a series of images of the men as they traveled through London and Salisbury between March 2 and March 4. Police say the 2 men flew back to Moscow from Heathrow Airport on the evening of March 4, hours after the Skripals were found collapsed on a park bench in Salisbury. Yulia, 33, recovered more quickly and was discharged in April. Her father was released from the hospital in May. The police officer who came to their assistance, and was hospitalized, has also been released. The Skripals have been taken to an undisclosed location for their safety. Sergei Skripal served with Russia's military intelligence agency, often known by its Russian language acronym GRU, and retired in 1999. He then worked at the Foreign Ministry until 2003, and later became involved in business. Skripal was arrested in 2004 in Moscow and later confessed to having been recruited by British intelligence in 1995. He also said at the time that he provided information about GRU agents in Europe, receiving over $100,000 in return. In 2006, Skripal was convicted on charges of spying for Britain and sentenced to 13 years. However, he later was pardoned and released from custody in July 2010 as a part of a US-Russian spy swap, which followed the exposure of a ring of Russian sleeper agents in the US. He had been living quietly in the cathedral city of Salisbury, 90 miles southwest of London, when he was struck down. Britain blamed Russia for the attack while Moscow denied all allegations. In response, more than 2 dozen Western allies, including the US, ordered out over 150 Russian diplomats in a show of solidarity. In response, Russia ordered out 60 US diplomats and closed the consulate in St. Petersburg in a tit-for-tat response. Fox News' Kathleen Joyce and the Associated Press contributed to this report.